की इंक्वायरी की रिपोर्ट आ जानी।
नहीं, ये बिल्कुल गलत बात है। हम 9 तारीख को ये जो इंसिडेंट हुआ, 10 तारीख रात को लगभग 11:30 बजे हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन पुलिस की आई कि एक लेटर आप जेएनयू में आइए, एक लेटर आपको दिया जा रहा है। उस लेटर में वो लेटर आपके पास है। उस लेटर में क्लियरली कहा गया था कि एक एफआईआर केस दर्ज हुआ है जो किसी एमपी ने किया है कुछ अज्ञात लोगों के नाम से, और उसमें सेडेशन चार्जेस थे, बड़े सीरियस चार्जेस थे। और पुलिस ने हमको कहा इसके लिए हमको यहां आने की इजाजत देनी चाहिए, जिसमें हमको इंटीग्रेट करना है कुछ लोगों को। हाँ, तो ये जो हमने परमिशन दिया उसी के बेस पे दिया, हमने किसी को पुलिस को अपने यहां से नहीं आने की दे दिया। ये बिल्कुल गलत है। और ये पर्टिकुलर केस के लिए उनके लिए कोई ब्लैंकेट परमिशन नहीं दिया है। और आपको भी पता है, हमको भी पता है, खाली एक बार पुलिस आई है, एक हॉस्टल में खाई गई है, उसके बाद जेएनयू बिल्कुल पुलिस से मुक्त है। खाली हमने 2 जगह को बात करनी चाहिए, खाली 2 गेट्स में मेन एंट्री में पुलिस है, वो भी हमारे लिए नहीं है, जेएनयू के लिए नहीं है। वो पुलिस इसलिए कि हमको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली कि बाहर से लोग यहां आना चाहते हैं और यहां पर उपद्रव फैलाना चाहते हैं, इसलिए हमने वो पुलिस गेट्स पे रखी है। हमारे कैंपस में बिल्कुल पुलिस नहीं है, आप खुद भी जानते हैं और हम भी जानते हैं।
So the letter that has been written to the DCP clearly says as and when you deem fit, which means there are no conditions that have been laid down before them. That means that they have been given a blanket permission कि आप कब से कब तक अंदर आ सकते हैं, ऐसा कोई नहीं है। There are plain clothes personnel I have met who are roaming inside the premises of this campus.
Perhaps you have not seen the full letter. This is with reference to that letter. Only with reference to that particular incident, we have given them permission. If at all, and second letter also you should find out. Immediately next day, another second letter was sent to the police that there are certain apprehensions in the university and you must take utmost precautions. And whenever you have to come to the police, please inform us first. Only then once we feel that it is absolutely necessary and it demands, then only they can.
Achha, so there are letters being written from all over the world. Your former students are writing petitions and sending statements saying they are afraid about the police presence within the campus. Would you like to assure them that there is no police presence within the campus at all?
The police have assured us that there is no police presence on campus, and even we would not like to have any police on the campus.
That's it. सर, एक सवाल है कि क्या जेएनयू एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के पास 9 तारीख के इवेंट की कोई वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है, कोई सिक्योरिटी एजेंसी के पास कोई वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है अपार्ट फ्रॉम द न्यूज चैनल?
Yes, we have our own recording, and that recording is given to our inquiry committee. And we are basing only on our own recording. We are not basing on any media.
Have you submitted that recording to the police also?
Yes, we have submitted that to the police also along with our report.
सर, जो फुटेज हमारे पास है, मीडिया के पास है, वो उससे अलग है रिकॉर्डिंग उसमें क्या?
मैंने अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं देखी कि वो हमारी इंक्वायरी कमेटी।
We have not seen the video recording. It's all done by our security unit, and they have submitted it to the committee.
Have you received any representation from any of the students saying Kanhaiya was chanting slogans?
No.
See, we have submitted only the reports that we have received from the security to the committee. We have no other information, and also any other member of the JNU community is welcome to produce any evidence that they have to the committee.
On what basis the permission for the cultural event on 9th? On what basis that permission was withdrawn? Did you receive any communication from the police? Was it internal assessment? On what basis?
No. Let me tell you the details. The permission was sought on 8th February for a cultural event which was Country Without Post Office. On 9th, around 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, I got information from my sources, from our security, that the pamphlet is being distributed, that there is a function going on at the same place at 5 p.m. and which is that about the judicial killing of Afzal Guru.
सर, जिस अंतरिम रिपोर्ट
this is related to judicial killing of Afzal Guru. So immediately we called our security officers. We had a meeting of the deans, Dean School of Social Students Welfare and Chief Proctor, myself and Vice Chancellor, and we informed the students that and we informed our security officer that they please ask them that we are cancelling this program, and this was sent to them, and our security officer went to that place told the organizers that this program is being cancelled by the university.
सर, जिस इंटरिम रिपोर्ट की बात की जा रही है उसमें डीएसए की कितनी भूमिका है, उमर खालिद और बाकी लोगों की कितनी भूमिका आपको समझ में आई है?
We have no idea. The committee is looking into those details.
एक जवाब हो जाएगा तो बात करेंगे ना।
उसी से जुड़ा हुआ सवाल।
We have no information about that, please.
The committee is looking at the evidence. The committee is looking at the available evidence. Yeah.
क्या पता आप कौन सा सवाल पूछे, फिर से पूछे।
सर, कंप्लीट कर रहे थे अपना।
The committee is looking at the available evidence. Then they will come up with the recommendations. We have no other information with us.
क्या
right
आप आर्ट स्टूडेंट्स को आपने कहा था इंक्वायरी में शामिल होने के लिए आपने इंटीमेशन दिया है, क्या
Letter
उन्होंने रिसीव किया है, लेटर रिसीव हो पाया है, क्या उनके
उसके वो हमारे पास कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन हो तो इंक्वायरी ऑफिसर के पास सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन होगा, वो हम नहीं बता पाए।
So the police report submitted to MHA says that JNU has been under surveillance for the past few months. October से लेकर surveillance में है. There are concerns about slogans within the campus, about posters. Some of these posters, the content of the posters, for example, raise concerns according to this particular report. Do you know about this surveillance?
We have no comments on this. If there are any such incidents, if they take place like it happened on 9th February, if it comes to our notice, we will take suitable
There was a
steps.
communication made to the former Vice Chancellor about internal surveillance.
We have no awareness about that.
I have no idea.
Okay,
I
what
don't know.
about the activities of students affiliated to DSU? Are you contemplating any action against them? They are known to be, very, very extreme, and they were the ones apparently involved.
Currently, the inquiry committee is looking at the incident that took place on 9th February and let them work on that.
Do you have any concerns about students from DSU?
See, we want our university to go on with our academic activities and we are making every effort towards that.
So what about the strike?
Precisely for
Status
that
of the
reason,
strike?
sir.
Jagrati, we have others too.
Sir, what about the strike? It's like
You will be glad to know that most of the classes are already taking place today. The students are back to the classes today.
सर, एक सवाल मुझे पूछना है। जैसा ये जो नाम उमर खालिद का लगातार सामने आ रहा है, क्या इससे आपका कोई संपर्क हुआ पत्राचार के माध्यम से या किसी जरिए आपकी कोई संपर्क हुआ? आपने कोई
We have no contact.
No contact after 9. No contact.
कुछ डिटेल्स तो होंगे सर, क्या करता है यहाँ पे?
Delhi Police Commissioner has just made a statement saying that they have proof that in that event of February 9 there were outsiders also. What is the information available with the university authorities on that?
No, let me tell you, because after seeing the footage, I could also see some people which are not our students there. So that is all we can see.
And sir, all the evidence against Kanhaiya, can you just tell us what is the evidence that you have already against
You see, that
is for the inquiry committee. No, we have only provided the report that we have received from our security to the
And the
inquiry
footage.
committee and the footage, audio, video footage. They are looking into it. We have no access to that as of now.
But as you know, the inquiry committee, along with other 7 students, he is also one of the students. Diva.
Sir, as the Vice Chancellor of VC, would you like to condemn what happened at Patiala House Court and the manner in which your own students and teachers were attacked? Any statement from you? Because everyone is talking about how they've lost faith in you because there is no expression of solidarity coming in from the administration.
Januta has already informed me about this unfortunate incident. We strongly condemn the attack on our faculty and students. I think the law must take its own course and the guilty must be punished. I have already condemned this earlier, yesterday also in very strong terms.
And perhaps there was also a report in the Hindu. Next day only, my registrar's statement that we condemn such attacks. It's not that we have not condemned.
Sir, the police report says that it was not Kanhaiya who had raised slogans, but it was somebody else. So what do you have to say to that?
It is for the police to defend that, but whatever information we have already passed on to the inquiry committee.
Sir, students are also saying that they fear that administration may be looking at ways to suspend the function of the university sine die. Anything that
I
you
think
want to
this
say?
That is baseless.
सर, जो इनिशियल रिपोर्ट आई थी उसमें क्या कुछ गिल्टी पाया गया उन्हें, क्या फिर कुछ स्टूडेंट्स के खिलाफ जो आरोप लगे थे क्या उन आरोपों में कुछ पता चला? सर, इनिशियल रिपोर्ट तो आ चुकी है सर।
नहीं, कोई रिपोर्ट नहीं आई। एंड खाली हमारे पास प्राइमा फेसी इंक्वायरी कमेटी ने 8 लड़कों को आइडेंटिफाई किया है। दैट्स ऑल। और कोई रिपोर्ट अभी हमारे पास आए नहीं। उन 8 लड़कों को इन्फॉर्मेशन भेजी जाएगी, दे शुड फेस द इंक्वायरी कमिटी एंड देन इट विल टेक इट्स ओन कोर्स।
सर, ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि पहले ही पुलिस को इजाजत दे दी गई थी कैंपस में आने की और उसके बाद ये कहा गया कि इजाजत नहीं दी गई।
ऐसा कोई हमने नहीं कहा, मैं अभी दोहराया, मैंने कहा कैसे दे दी, किन सर्कमस्टांस में हमने पुलिस को यहाँ आने अंदर दे दिया। मैं क्लियरली कह रहा हूँ कि उसमें चूंकि पुलिस ने कहा सिडेशन चार्जेस है और वहां पर एज पर लॉ हमने उनको कहा आप इंटरोगेशन के लिए आ सकते हैं, मगर ये ब्लैंकेट वो इन्फॉर्मेशन है। Every time whenever they have to come next time, they have to seek our permission and they have agreed with us.
Sir, a follow-up to your question, since you said they should come in for interrogation, were you also then alarmed when they arrested the head of the union? And was that an extreme step in your view? Just a follow-up to your question.
It is for the
police to decide.
It is for the police to decide. You see, the university view is that let the inquiry committee work with the available evidence and then let them come out with their recommendation. Let us provide them the free space to work on
Were
this.
they too quick to arrest? Were they?
No comment.
We cannot comment
we
on
can't
that.
comment on what the police felt right. They must have. They have to answer that, not us.
पॉलिटिकल लोग जो आ रहे हैं इस मामले को यूनिवर्सिटी में लगता है JNU TA को कि पॉलिटिसाइज किया जा रहा है। पॉलिटिकल लोग जो आ रहे हैं यूनिवर्सिटी प्रेमाइसेस में उसको लेके कुछ
जी हमने पहले से ही कहा आउटसाइड इंटरफेरेंस वी वुड नॉट लाइक टू हैव आउटसाइड इंटरफेरेंस एंड वी हैव अपील फॉर दैट एंड वी appeal all the parties they should leave we have internal mechanisms with us we can solve this issue with